Black this, black that, black when, black how. I was black then and I'm black now. Black fist, black.
Hey. I will also add to Khate because you don't mama, you don't go abantwana umsebenzi ongiwenzayo nguye uMakhadebe ngama-hour akafundisa kagidela mangithi isize yakhe as cheeky as the way they are telling ugogo. So from my mother's side, Amakakhadebe, Abokunani. From my father's side, Abotsawo, of which emuva kahle kahle angene emaXhoseni because amaXhosa is many tribes basically. KunaMaXhosa, kunamaMpondo, kunamaMpondozulu, kunabaThembu. Exactly like namhlanje masithi sinamaZulu, but we've got many clans among amaZulu. There are many. To an extent, yeah, kukhona abachallenge inkosi ukuthi esafuna umhlaba wethu. Just so on my father's side, emuva, they come from what they were called amaGrikwe. And namakholwa namanaba. So amaGrikwe is what British called the Griquas. amaGrikwe kahle. How did they come emaXhoseni during the wars nama-British? It's important to sikhulume and then from ama-mistake wakudala, you understand? Because ama-Bushmen by nature, ungasi abantu besiko. They are not as fierce as abanguni. Abanguni yibo abanikazi okufanele ukuthi too thick and thin, but defend wonke amakhenda. Kodwa-ke akusithi sesikhuluma siyathola lethi. Ama-Bushmen, abantwana babanguni nabesuku. So my father, they come from there, Babaleka. Because ama-British ama-cannon, gunpowder, and hate ama-British. Ngisaqinisa i-background yami abakaKhadebe nabakaTsawu. KwaBakaKhadebe nabantu bakwaNhlaba angeke phela ube pure. It's a lie. Ayikho into ekuthiwa umZulu. If you go back 200 years generations yakho, you will know ukuthi nibaningi uyabona. NabakaNhlaba bakhona bakaSigegede. As much as kulabakaTsawu enabo bakhona abongqosini bateni baphuthile because intermarriage kudala ikhona. That is one part. Ngijabula kakhulu ukuthi ngifike la namhlanje nginikezwe i-platform yokuzokhuluma ngathi ngesikhathi se-equinox, isikhathi sebhalansi. Now kulingana khona usuku nobusuku
Makhosi
nemini. This gathering is important kakhulu ngoba as a traveler ayenzakali lana kuphela njengoba sika eSouth America kuma-Red Indians. Namhlanje yesterday I was online ngama-Red Indians talking about the equinox nangama-world events. Lokho esikwenzayo la nakuma-Red Indians is like that. ePacific ama-Maori, the Tonga nakubo. eFiji la kunabantu abamnyama ababa lapho makusplita ama-continent. Makusplita ama-continent baflota nama-island wabo. They've been there labo bantu abamnyama thina abantu base-Afrika esingabacabanga nithi. basogola bodwa basicabula bodwa like ama-aborigine ase-Australia. Hence it is important because sikhuluma ngama-Africans, be careful ukuthi singabi choose sizibone thina kuphela nge-continent.
Makhosi.
What about abanye abantwana? Ama-aborigines, they are still fighting for umhlaba wabo. Ama-Maori, amaTonga e-New Zealand, they are fighting against the British. And you wonder ukuthi Britain ifunani Fiji, a small island, iSamoa, basakhalela ini lapho. Because we damage abayenzi. Let's not forget our brothers and sisters. Let's not forget Thailand. I'm speaking like this because the Temang say India, I've met these people. There's the wrong information in India ukuthi la mind was about South Africa. But I can tell you, India lawala ayakaphile laphana because la ajwayele ukutofotofa ngithi laphana lonke niyalingana uyelo umhlophe uso. I've met them. I've met these people. They were so excited. You come from South Africa. So South Africa, they will hug me. We come from ancient lines. We come from ancient lines. Our ancestors, they don't originate somewhere else. Our ancestors, they left here, went to build a civilization. For many decades, by build the Kemet up there. By builder. Then came a time when they must come back. Hence today, now we are a generation Yabokoko bethu ebekade bakha ama-civilization. That is a fact. We are not originating edamini laphana e-DRC Congo. La esi-originator khona, there's evidence ukuthi la eNingizimu Africa. 2 weeks ago, I was with ama-scientists, they was at Cape Town. I was invited by a friend to come in here. Our scientists have found evidence again. Remember, they found evidence Katamu child, the Homo nabilis. They found evidence again 2 billion years ago. Yomuntu omnyama order unento eyayilokile khona 2 billion years ago, and bayithole enhlabathini. You still want to deny that ukuthi thina asiphumila? I-evidence engake lokho khona ama-Afrikaners ayibona ama-Afrikaners on a daily basis. Wherever they travel, they find this evidence. By touch, by destroy, they will build ama-structures. Ngalokho ngisho ukuthi bantu baseNingizimu be proud. Be very proud. To an extent that ama-Red Indians, abantu base-India, abantu base-New Zealand, abantu base-Samoa, e-Fiji, even ama-Mongol, abase-Nepal, base-Nepal, we still get ukungoma okuphumala. You are taught that shamanism, ukuphumala, they'll tell you their ancestors came from Africa down south, went up past Saudi Arabia into Pakistan, into India, what is known as the Java country today. They settled there, they built our temples, basuka baya e-Himalaya. They settled lapho, bazala bandisa abantwana baye baphuma, bacrossa bathi towards Canada, bangena on the Turkic continent. Iningizimu, it is so much important emhlabeni because wherever you go, once they will ask you, are you from South Africa? I've experienced it. Ngalamazi ngiyakhuthaza abantu bakithi. Another point which is so much is important. It is not anywhere else like Africa. It has been prophesied by Aboshaman, Namakwarandes, the Shibibo. They have said it, Kimbuti. They're going to African Jan. Kwadunganina in South Africa. The rest of Africa.
Thokoza.
Don't do things vice versa and expect those people who say. They've said it to me. Another point, let's remember that when our ancestors were coming down, it's one important point. I just want to pass this message. Because when discussing the Manyama indigenous, always they will say, Manjana Banbase South Africa. We hear this and that. The other time they will say to me, how food poison. Why did I again? It's not like me, they will understand. Modern Indians, they are fighters. They fought against some British like Tina. They are still wanting Uguti, Babenama rights. To an extent, they want a British out. They want a British out. The way I'm reading this, Anthony Parakona and Tandarakona, they were asking me very difficult questions. One question was, according to our knowledge, there in the south, you had 2 pyramids. What happened to pyramids? I couldn't lie because people wanted to me. I said, I don't know, there's one rumor of it, there's a pyramid hidden somewhere. They said to me, no, hidden. You think Abelum will hide it? They will loot everything. You people must dig knowledge here. Because some of us, when we met King Shaka, ladies, some of us, when we met King Shaka, he also sent some people to come with us here. That's why among us, we get people who've got pictures who are similar to the bull and the food. So this message is so much important ukuthi niyazi ukuthi njengabantu baseNingizimu ningabantu baseNingizimu the wisdom yenu yaseNingizimu Africa it can be in your hand and Africa we can rebuild it the way our ancestors did the ancient civilization were came when they were coming back. The other point is that when our ancestors were coming down, these are the things that you must remember. Because these interests are alive. If you know this history, you reflect, you see good, in other words, you revenge that it. Because in the past, what happened, those are so. Number one, our ancestors when we were coming down, they settled somewhere along the Congo, which the Tutu people and the other Bambara clans we treasure. But there was these other clans who were busy with human sacrifice, taking our victims, taking our people, killing our people. There was a war, we fought against them, we defeated them. Then we decided let's move on. We destroyed another civilization in what is known as Zimbabwe. If you know the story of Minimutaba, Yitilaba is a figure because I'm an Arab and that clan we busy taking our people. It is time to manje silungise lapha ezweni sisilungise sikwazi ukuconnecta nabanye abantwana bakithi abakwamanye amazwe. Because among the Red Indians, uthola isintu. Mafuna ukubona isintu sangempela, iAmazon uzothola isintu. Uzothola ibheshu, utshani babugqokile. Uzothola laba bangafuni imali. They'll tell you that when the white men came here, most of our people got sick because they got infected by a flu epidemic as in Adolu. Many died. We took armed fought against the white people. We don't want anything against Evela from the white people. And we are not against white people, but they must just leave us in peace. I'm just delivering the message. Ngibonge kakhulu futhi I say so ukuthi niphe this opportunity during isikhathi equinox. A very, very important time whereby wonke ama-indigenous people in the southern hemisphere, from South America, Brazil, Peru, Guatemala, we are a Pacific. They are honoring this time. It is a time whereby our ancestors were to collect many fruits, many vegetables, and even some seeds, as well as our herbs in preparation when winter comes. For example, the umthonyane will become dry and the maphepho will we start looking for umthonyane emotionally umthonyane womile manje kanti ngabe wawuseva makufika ubusika wawugcina uzokhona ukuthi uncede nabanye nawe uziyenze. And another point is that the equinox, why it is so much important, it is a time of letting go of our grudges. We look back at 6 months or 6 years, we got the Zagala. Here in Nineveh, we have a lot of crime against Tina food. Because there is this agenda because of South Africa. I'm not told it. If we look at our negotiations with ANC, the National Party, it became a negotiated settlement. If you remember very well, they said it's a negotiated settlement. Ask yourself, how did it come to Tamagulu with all the atomic? Remember 1980s, W. Board had already planned the routine. He has had enough. He's going to hit his Soweto, our Mamelodi, our Kayota, the atomic. Remember that we were supposed to share the atomic to tell the lot. But because some of boards are started, there was infighting between the political to an extent it makes was high still. If we look at that, these people, the freedom about Nigerian, but Bengabaza, Bengafun, Nababana poison. A lot of their poison, I can tell you. Even now, there are things that they did in the 80s. They are not aware of what ile anto le yenziwa isasalele somewhere gokuyokuya siyabuza senzani. Why so much abantu abafasibulalayo ababulala abantu besifazane? Why so much short tempered? Umuntu makadeke nyawo sokukhipha insimbi uyamdubula uyambulala. We have to look at those things ukuthi the freedom sithole kanjani. It is important to let go of many things that we have adopted from Irichimga, Walter Paulson, Peter Border. That system will create apartheid, will create AIDS. Now, we have to talk everything. We have to let go of many things that is adopting. To an extent, the hype. This Afro-American gangster movie type hype esisingene kuyo kakhulu ukuthi uma unemali number 1 iyenekela, number 2 ubhema, number 3 yuka pipe seyingenile ngama-Arab angithi ama-Arab yuka pipe. We have to let go of many things as much as we can so that makufika ubusika masenzela bokhokho bethu abazali bethu imisebenzi bakhumbula. Uma unomkhubulwane erelaxile epholile ekhulule impahla zakhe ngoba ebusika lithi uyakhumula isasala amacemba yawa utshani kuba abusakho hlaza ngithi ukhumula impahla zakhe uyarelax nomkhubulwane the spirit of mother abheke ukuthi bantwana bami nithini asilalele. Masenze umsebenzi sike sibonga masenze umsebenzi besimupha masenze umsebenzi siqala kabusha impilo zethu are becoming empowered. So the equinox is very much important ukuthi si-honore noma si-2 noma si-20 noma si-100. It is very, very much important.
Makhosi.
Because on an astrological point, I need to hear that ukuthi i-Aries sifike siqala kabusha i-zodiac sign nazo ziyazi-adjusta nazo nithi if wazi astrology. Yeah, ukuthi wazi kaMarch isikhathi la ukuza khona ama-positive energies are very, very high. But-ke kuphuma kuko this energy mawuyamukela uyidigesta kanjani, ufunda ini, uconnecta kanjani nomsebenzi wakho nomoya wakho ne. Ma umuntu olungile izokwenzela into esithi. Kodwa ma umuntu omubi mayifika kuwe, you will feel ukuthi kunomoya omubi la. Kunomoya omubi. As much as uMother Nature alungisa umhlaba njengemvula njengoba kwenzeka. Umhlaba uzoba green umhlaba. We are going to a stage whereby umhlaba uzoba very, very green. It will be as beautiful as more than the Amazon. The Amazon, it will be extension in another southern hemisphere. Mother Nature akathuthelayo. It's like ukungcola makusendlini angithi uyaklina ususa. She's doing that. Not it is important to let go of izinto ezimbi. Amabhuku ungathanda abanye abantwana. Thina abantu baseningizimu we-important, I will repeat that, we-important we connect with other indigenous people. The radiance, because more radiance, you hear Sisuthu. When they are chanting in Gomazam, we hear Bua She, Mangal, it's prayer chant, see the Sisuthu. There was a Sisuthu like a symbol. There are a lot of terms. Mama Wari, for example, Inyanga, it is called Tangaloya. So, the female one, it is called Taula. Yeah, Mahon. It is called a Taula. Yeah? Taula is like a so, Tangaloya, Tanga. Madamanje lawyer, understand? Because inyanga ngalimabesha izovele identify nature ukuthi ukudla right for umuntu.
Makhosi.
So you will hear a lot of names yabona. La kuma red Indians. I hear kukhulunywa ngogwenge. Someone was talking okhuluma ngathi gwenge. Ngathi gwenge when we both call a single, then you get Slovate. Some of the names are Slovate, you get it among these people. Another thing also, even time you go to this, as Gumulayes. The Red Indians are coming. They have never been to South Africa. The excitement is now over. But my it's important to go to. Number one, Africa, especially South Africa, is exciting, you understand. They've got about things of the South. Hence, a shop language for this thing in every continent. We want to integrate. Places like the cave that Shamarope, a certain cave, which I know we still saw. We are going to cave, and time you go to the and you confirm it is there. But you value the love. Our aim is to send it to General, and it is very, very important to mean as somebody or a partner. I'm not only there for my ancestors wami or the parents yami. I'm there ukuvula iminyango. Ngoba mina umoya wangitshela ukuthi kufana kithi ngeke kwenzakala umuntu waseNingizimu uyakuthanda. Abantu baseNingizimu isidalo sabo. Whether uyacula, ushaya ipoet, wenza ini, iyakuthatha le nto ibeka kude endaweni esipesheli.
Makhosi.
Black this, black that, black when, black how. I was black then and I'm black now. Black fist, black power, black pain.